You are going to learn wa, o, n in this lesson. So this is going to be the last letters in katakana. So the first one is wa. 1, 2. Wa. Wa. The next one is o. 1, 2, 3. O. O. So it's the same as hiragana. There are 2 o in katakana too. So finally the last one. N. 1, 2. N. People sometimes get confused with so and n. So on the left and n on the right. Okay, now let's review. What is this? O. What is this? Wa. What is this? Well done! You've learned all katakana up to n finally. So in the next lesson, you're gonna learn small ya, you, yo. See you in the next lesson.